Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Melody Onyebucha and this is Gewmel Space. You are welcome. And to my returning subscribers, my lovelies, my OGs, welcome back. I got you now. On this video, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to do a no foundation look. And if you want to learn how to do that, because it's not every day that you will do makeup with foundation, this makeup thing is not a do or die affair. So if you want to learn how to do your makeup without a foundation on, please don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. To remove any sort of makeup products on my face, I'll be using this wipe to cleanse my face.
When you start your makeup without cleansing your face, it doesn't turn out well, so don't miss this step, guys. Trust me.
Mismetics Moisture Portion Moisturizer
To moisturize my face,
yes,
make sure to apply a good amount on your face to add moisture to your skin. You hear?
Rimmel Stay Mask Primer. Guys, this primer is so affordable and it's a matte primer. I love this primer so much. And if you have an oily skin, this is the best primer you can go for. Affordable and the best. So
I'm applying my primer with my hand, but you can go ahead to use your brush to apply yours. Just do whatever works for you. But today I'm in the mood to apply with my hand.
Jordana concealer plus foundation. Don't judge me. Do not judge me because I'm going to use this. You need to use a concealer that is the shade of your skin, and I don't have one that is the shade of my skin, and this one can pass as a concealer also, so I'm going to be using that today.
To be honest, I don't know the shape of this brush and I don't know what it's used for, but I use it to apply concealer sometimes under my eyes. So this is me using it to apply my concealer under my eyes, guys. I'm just going to spray a little bit of setting spray on my damp beauty blender, and I'll use that to blend out the concealer I applied under my eyes, guys. This is me blending it out. I'm just trying this for the first time. I saw it on TikTok, so I just decided to try it with you guys. I've not tried putting setting spray on my beauty blender before. Like, this is my first time, but it's turning out good. It's turning out fine. So I guess I'll continue putting setting spray on my beauty blender before blending out my foundation and my concealer. I think it's turning out so nice. I'm going to go ahead to apply the concealer on my chin, and I'll blend that out with my damp beauty blender. I'll also apply the concealer on my forehead. I'm about to do that, guys, on my forehead and the bridge of my nose. Then after applying that, I'll go ahead to blend it out with my beauty blender, guys. Also the bridge of my nose.
Pro concealer in the shade Toast. I'll use it to contour my face, to lift my face. So this is how I do it, guys.
I know I'm applying too much and I'm going to blend that out, guys. Trust me. So trust the process. Oh,
my angled brush to blend it out. I'm also going to take it up to my forehead.
Unlike any other concealer I have, this one blends out easily, so I have no problem using my angled brush to blend it out. It just blends out easily, like without stress. So guys, this is me blending it out, and to contour my nose, I would just
draw a line like this. This angled brush is really soft and fluffy, so I'm going to use it to blend it out.
When you're choosing a concealer for your contour, please go for the one that is a little bit darker than your skin. Don't go for one that is too dark, like almost black on your skin. It makes the whole thing look a little bit weird, you get. So this is the way you do it. You just blend it out, make sure there are no harsh lines, and take it up to your eyebrow. Don't worry, I will use my beauty blender to blend everything in well.
To blend it out more. Guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to use the concealer I use on my under eye to reverse contour my cheek and also place it at other places that the concealer didn't get to. So this is how we do it.
So this is the opportunity you have to put concealer on every other place that the concealer didn't get to initially, so no part of your face would look bare. And for some of us that our face is no longer smooth like it used to be, we'll have to like use the remaining product on our beauty blender to like dab the whole of our face, you get, to remove all those discoloration and any other hyperpigmentation that is on our face. To cut the long story short, just use the remaining product you have on your beauty blender to dab the whole of your face.
Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit, and I go with this light shade because I want to lighten up my under eye. I'm going to use my beauty blender to dab a little bit, and then I'll use it to lighten the under of my eye. So do that here too. I'm going to also do that to my chin and also to my forehead, and also to the bridge of my nose. Just getting there, try to blend it out. My Airspun setting powder, so I'll use it to set my face. I'm going to use the same beauty blender. I'll use it to set my under eye.
To set your face, you just need to put the setting powder under your eye. Just use your beauty blender to tap it in there, and also every part of your face, your chin, your forehead, and also the bridge of your nose.
To my jaw, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. Set the rest of my face.
My daughter is looking for me. She's banging at the door.
I use this something that I constructed by myself. I'm going to use it to reverse contour my nose and also do that to my cheek. So let's go there.
It's very difficult for me to reverse contour my nose using the regular beauty blender. That was why I had to do this construction. So I guess I might start selling it. What do you guys think? If you're still watching and you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. I beg you, subscribe.
What I'm going to do is to apply my blush. I'll be using this color I have here.
If you mistakenly apply too much blush like I'm doing now with audacity and confidence and smile on my face, please don't worry yourself. You can always tone it down by using your finish up powder to like make it look blur, and have fun with your blush, guys. You only live once. This life now one come, so have fun with it. And I'm just going to go ahead to brush off my setting powder with my angle brush.
My Stay Matte setting spray to set my face.
Going with my finish up powder, I'll just set my face and also blur out the plenty blush I put on my cheek. So guys, this was what I meant when I said you can use your finish up powder to blur out your blush. So as you can see, the blush is looking mwah. Guys, babies, geez, lovelies, let me go admire myself and do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to you guys.
Hey guys, I am finally back, and I am back to apply pressure. I just wanted to show you the mirror version of how I look. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys properly, so don't get angry that I'm busy looking at my face. I'm obsessed with myself. My bad, my bad. Guys, just hang in there. I'll show you my face. I'll be looking at you. I'm back, and how do I look? Hope I look good. Hope I kill this look. This no foundation look, just concealer, can be big sometimes. Like, the makeup is so lightweight on my face, I don't even feel like I have any kind of makeup on my face. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe. A baby girl is desperate. I am desperate, and I'm begging you guys, subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Like, share, comment, and click the notification option if you want to see me next time, because I'm coming back better. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Mwah.